Oh yeah!
Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Lance, and I'm here with a quick little video for you guys. Some quick tutorial. So this is a Honda Civic that I'm flipping, and it's not perfect, but you know, fixing a couple things on it, some maintenance, and it just happens to have a decent sized dent there, and I don't want to replace that because that'd be way too much work. So, you know, I'm gonna try a quick water method, you know, boiling water, and try to push it out and see how it goes. Alright, so once you got the water boiled up, just try not to burn yourself first of all, but pour it evenly around the area. That's done, just try to get under and try to push it out. And there you go. Not too bad. It's still damaged, but at least there's not a huge dent in there. Maybe that saves you guys some money and time. Definitely will save you a headache, but that's all. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.